all my dear friends. My name is Dhanashri Vikas Patil. I am studying class 3rd. My school name is DePaul Public School, Siram. Today, I am telling few lines about water pollution. I wrote few of them. First, I will tell the definition of water pollution. Water pollution is very big problem. We cannot live without water. But this water is now being polluted throughout the country. Water pollution generally occurs as a result of waste discharge of by industries. Now, I made the chart of it. You can see here is an water pollution. Here is some type of water pollution. I wrote few of them. Drainage into river. I mark the points of it. Drainage into water pollute the river. Water which is harmful for drinking. In case if any human being or animal drink the water, it will create health issues. Now here is the first one, drain system. Now we will start second. Washing at the river. Washing clothes are also polluted the water, which causes stomach problems as animal and human being drink the water. Means some people are washing the clothes on river, then it is not good because this water is going to our stomach and animals drink this water. That's why we don't want to wash the clothes on river. Then third one, garbage throwing in water. Garbage throwing in water which make the water dirtier and affect the health of the people and animal who drink the water. Means garbage, we are throwing garbage here or where. Then some people are throwing so much garbage, you can see here. Then another cows and buffalo eat them, and garbage is not health, means not good, and plastic is not good for another animals. Then we don't want to do dirtier of our outsides. Okay. Then a fourth one, water pollution at beach. Water pollution at beach. It is harmful for fish and the didn't surf in such polluted and they lose their lives. Means we are going to in beach, you can see we go to beach, then first you can see the beach is very nice, beautiful, and we are playing there. Then olden days we are nicely playing on them, but now is happening the people are throwing the garbage on beach also. We don't want to throw garbage. It is not good for fishes because fishes take the water and it is dirtier, then fishes is dead. Then oil spillage has been thrown into the water or sea water, which damage the water purity and making the water dirtier. Means you can see the boat, you see the big ships and another ships. Then oil spillage also, one ship is there, means it is happening. One sponge oil is there now, then it is going to in water. Then another fishes, sharks, that is living in water also na. Then that's why the water is dirty. Then fish and shark also died na. That's why don't spill the oil in sea or beach. Okay. Then last one, sixth number, industry section plant. Industry chemicals has been thrown into the river or sea water, which damage water purity and making their water dirtier. Means you can see the industries. Then industry chemicals means they are doing another chemical functions. Then it is the dirty water they are means water are using. Then it gonna be dirty, and it is not good. They are they are taking the water and throwing into only river or sea. It is not good for another peoples or animals, fishes, underwater animals. Then the damaged water will happen now. So how can drink the animals, birds, they are drinking the water, then it is not good for that. And now I tell first only we cannot live without water. Then we don't want to waste the dirty water. You can use for you can throw into plant, because plants also need the water. You can throw it. Then thank you.